Hi guys, welcome back to ASP.NET MVC tutorial. I am Ashish. So this is part 36 of this video series and you are watching TechnoTips MVC video. In this video I'm gonna discuss about cascading drop-down list using Jquery and Partial View in ASP.NET MVC application. So here basically I'm going to give you an example in which I will select the country from the first drop-down, and in the second drop-down all the related states will automatically be populated. Okay, so before starting, do subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, so let's get started. So here in the database I have taken two tables, that is states table and country table. So in the country table I have taken two countries, that is India and United States. And here in the state table, if you notice that I have taken three columns, that is state ID, state name and country ID. So here the country ID referencing to country table. So country ID 1 means it's belong to India. Okay, so let's fulfill our today's objective. Okay, so first of all I'll just create a method to get the record from the get the country from the database. Okay, so first of all just stop that and write a method public which will return country, list of country, and get country list. Okay, and I'll just create an object from this method. I'll just copy that, and so my DB context is ready, and I'll just create a list of country let's say countries equal to db dot countries dot to list. Okay, and I'll just return that list countries. Okay, and another method I'll just create that public get state list. Okay, so just write action result okay. In this list should be equal to it should be country wise, so I just need to pass country ID. Okay, so int country ID. Okay, and this will just fetch the record, that is list states. State list equal to, and again I just need this db context equal to db dot states dot where x implies x dot country ID should be equal to your parameter. Okay, and dot to list. Okay, and here you will return the state list. Okay, so I'll just use this method later on. Okay, so I'll just take the list of state. For the time being I'm just using that. Okay, so now in the index I'll just take the viewbag.countryList should be equal to these method. Copy that and paste here. Okay, and in the viewbag country list only I just need value, text and value. So new select list, and it requires the collection, so I'll just get the collection from this method, and then in the second parameter I'll just take country ID as value and country text, country name as text. Okay, so here you can see data value field and the text field. Okay, and here I'll just create a model, view model. So add a class, let's name it country and state VM. Okay, and here define two properties, public int country ID get set. Let's copy that, and you just need another, that is state ID. Okay, and now you just need that, so I'm just going to use that model. So here is country and state VM. Okay, and here I'll just bind the drop down, because here I am returning a country list. So viewbag country list. So here you can see I have nothing on the right side. Okay, so I'll just take @if, so it's necessary to check whether the viewbag is null or not. It's not equal to null, then only I'll just take HTML dot drop down for m implies m dot country ID, comma, paste your viewbag.countryList as select list. Okay, and another parameter you can pass the custom text, select country. Okay, and the last parameter HTML attributes, that is @class should be equal to form control. Okay, and here you will take an empty drop down list. Okay, so again drop down list for m implies m dot state. Okay, so you just need empty, so you just take empty select list and just pass empty array. Okay, and set the first value, select state, okay, and new, just copy that and paste here, okay. Now I'll just write the function on change function, okay. So first of all, just run the project and let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay, so here you go, and here you can see your countries, and initially the state is empty, okay. And I'll just write the change method, so I'll just copy that country and just delete everything, dollar hash this dot change. You can write a function here, okay. So you will get the value of that. So where DDL, or you can say country ID should be equal to dollar this dot val, okay. And I have my country ID, okay. So I can pass to the controller this country ID and all the related state I can populate, okay. So I'll just call the Ajax, so just copy that, so I'll just call this method, okay. So get a state list, and it requires country ID, okay. Country ID should be equal to plus this country ID, okay. And delete everything, delete that, and also delete that, okay. And at response, I'll just get the HTML string, because there I'm going to return the partial view, okay. So dollar, first of all, I'll just make the empty to this state dropdown, okay. So I'll just make it empty, so hash dot empty, okay. And then I'll just bind that, so again just copy that, copy this dot append response, okay. So my response basically would be the option, okay. So just go to the controller, and here now return the partial view. So first of all, stop that, and action result, and here you will return a partial view. Let's pass the partial view name, that is let's say state options option partial. Okay, so I'll create a partial view here. Okay, and let's create a view bag dot state list, or you can say state options. Okay, and this should be equal to, I just need only text and value, so I'll just select list and just pass the collection, that is state list, comma, it will have you can see the parameter, the property. Go to definition, and here you can see it has a state ID and a state name and country ID. Okay, so I'll just pass the state ID as value, and I just need state name as text. Okay, now let's create a partial view in shared folder. Okay, so right click on that and add a view and just paste it here. Okay, and here you can use this Viewbag option. Just copy that and just use @if Viewbag.select option is not equal to null, then use for each where item in Viewbag option. Okay, so you can add option here. So option will have text, and the value should be equal to @item dot value. Okay, and second is item dot text. Okay, and before that you can add default option, that is option val should be equal to empty and text should be equal to dash 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 select state. Okay, so first option would be this, and the second would be the list. Okay, so value and text, and I'll just return this option using this Ajax. So maybe you just need content type to HTML. Okay, so debugger, and before that you can place a debugger here. Okay, now let's run that. So here you go, and now I'm just clicking on inspect element so that you can watch what's going to happen here. Okay, so when I select any country, India. Here you can see I just got the country ID and just function F10. Okay, so first of all I just need to put breakpoint here. Okay, and just continue that. Okay, I just got all the option, that is first option, and here you can see Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, etc. okay, in the response. And here if you see the select state text, okay, so function F10, so I just make it empty, so all gone, and then I just binded this option. So you can see option value, select state, and Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar. Okay, so that will going to append that. Okay, so function F10. Okay, so you are ready to go, and here you can see all the option. Okay, so states Delhi, Punjab, Haryana. Okay, and here when I choose United States, then here you can see the country ID would be 2 and function F10, and I'll have all the state related to United States. So here you can see states, state ID is 7 and state name is California, and here you can see how the text and value is going to append. So function F10, and here my control comes, and here you can see the Viewbag option. So just right click on that and add to watch. Okay, so here is your Viewbag state option. So result view, and here you can see in the Viewbag you have text California and value is 7. Okay, so you got an array, okay, text and value. Okay, and function F10, so it will loop through this Viewbag option, and you will get this option list, and all the option will be appended to this. Okay, so you got United States, all the states related to this United States. Okay, so now choose again India. So India will have Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, and when you select United States, then you will have California, Texas, New York, Michigan, Virginia, etc. Okay, so I hope this is very simple, and okay, so I'm done here, and if you like my videos, then give us a thumbs up, and if you have any query, then do comment, and please share my videos among your friends, and goodbye, have a great day.